Position the square mounting plate over the spring housing. Drill 2 centered pilot holes in the upper right and lower left portions of the square mounting plate. Loosely attach the mounting plates to both sides of the door with the screws provided. Square the top surface of the mounting plate to the edge of the door. The square edge must be on the flat surface of the square mounting plate for proper leveling. Tighten the mounting screws. Press the rows onto the square mounting plate. Fasten the lever with the provided set screw. Test the lock operation.